Umbutho olwela uluntu iSouth African National Civic Organisation namhlanje ukhokele umngcelele kummandla waseshiyawelo eZone 4 ufuna amanyathelo nxamnye nabemi bamanye amazwe abangenazo impepha kwaye uphakamisa inkxalabo malunga nokusebenza kwezinye iivenkile zasekuhlaleni. Lo mboniso uza phakathi kwengxoxo enkulu yesizwe malunga nokufuduka ongekho semthethweni kunye namashishini asezilokishini aphethwe ngabangaphandle. Abaququzeleli bathi injongo yomngcelele ibikukugqithisa uxwebhu lezikhalazo neemfuno zoluntu kumagunya afanelekileyo.
Inhlangano ebhekelele umphakathi iSANCO eShawela iqhubeke umkhankaso wokuvala izitolo zabokufika kwelakuleli njengoba ithi-ke iningi lentsha ihlele emakhaya ngaphandle kwemisebenzi kodwa labokufika baphethe umnotho wasemalokishini.
We have a problem with undocumented foreigners, nationals. So Johannesburg sila, we are busy trying to monitor and prevent ukuthi ungabi nama problems because abanye already babavalele. Ezinye indawo amaziya kuyo already it's closed because you can see ukuthi kunabantu ababagaye that information ukuthi no, the guys from SANCO they are coming. So all we want with the community is to engage with us nokuthi bayenze yonke into esifunayo because asifuni ukuthi kube nabantu abalemalayo ngale march le because abanye they are going to take it as an advantage to ukuthi bayenze izinto like illegal activities. So we all support the march but not ngendlela ebhede. So njengoba bavalile manje nasibona isiphaza abasivalile, we don't know kusasa kuzoyenzakalani. So I think for us we are fighting a losing battle.
Le nhlangano iqhube ngokuzwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngomphakathi ongabambisani uma ke kwenziwa izinto ezifana nalezi.
One can be blamed for that because of now nama tenant bona self abanye bayabathipa because bayazi ukuthi bona they benefit at the end of the day. So if they get rid of these people, they're not going to get whatever that we're getting every month. And also, we should blame ourselves because we cannot run these businesses because manje sifuna bahambe, but we cannot even have a background or a foundation to say we can start this business. We are struggling tina self. So laba nama funders at least. So tina abantu abamnyama we don't have ama funders. So it's going to give us a problem.
Imikhankaso efana nalena ibonakala isabalala ezindaweni ezahlukene zeningizimu Afrika ngemuva kokukhukhula ngoqo weziteleka ezilwisana nabokufika ngokungemthetho kuleli.
Sithi bungcono ubatshele ukuthi makahambe ngoba mabangahambanga bona nawo saseyiki.
Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseshawela.